This is a final video to fix the struggle of selecting multiple clips at once in Premiere Pro on your iPhone. Are you tired of tapping each clip one by one and wasting time? This happens because Premiere Pro's mobile interface doesn't make it obvious how to select multiple clips together. You might have seen other tutorials on YouTube or social media that show long, confusing steps that are hard to follow. But today on Rexish, I'll show you a secret, super easy trick that lets you select all the clips you want in seconds without any hassle. With this method, you can quickly move, delete, or edit multiple clips at once like a pro. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I'll make it just for you.